Hello and welcome to this section on operators. In this section, we will be discussing what are operators, the different types of operators and their implementation in Python. In this lecture, we will briefly discuss about what are operators and their different types. So what are operators? An operator is used to perform an operation between two operands. So what does that mean? Take for example an addition operation between the numbers 2 and 5. Here the numbers 2 and 5 are called operands and the addition, the plus symbol which you use is called the addition operator. So once you perform an addition operation on the operands 2 and 5, the result being returned will be 7. So what are the different types of operators in Python? The different types of operators are assignment operator, arithmetic operator, relational operators, and finally logical operators. So what is an assignment operator? Now assignment operator is something which we have seen in our previous lectures when we learned variables. We assigned a value to a variable. Now when you assign a value, what you made use of was an assignment operator, which is the equal to operator. Next what we have is the arithmetic operators. So we have 5 arithmetic operations which can be performed. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulo operations. Next what we have is the relational operators. Now relational operators are comparison operators. Now this is something which we do in our day-to-day life. Say for example you're buying a new phone. So what do? You take two phones which you will be comparing the specifications of, and then you check if the memory of this phone is greater than the memory of the other phone. So for such purposes, we make use of relational operators. Next what we have is the logical operators, which is a combination of relational operators, which means, say for example, you are checking the operating system of your phone. So you want to check if the operating system is iOS and it has a camera of 12 megapixels. And one more thing what you can do with the logical operators is the OR operation, which is to check if one among the two conditions are true. So for AND operation, what you did was to check if both the conditions were true, which is to check if the operating system is iOS and your camera is 12 megapixel. Only then you would buy that phone. Now in the OR operation, what you would do is check if one among the two is okay for you. So you would check if my operating system is iOS or my camera is a 12 megapixel camera. So if one of these two conditions holds good, then I will go ahead and buy this phone. So that's the end of this lecture. In the next lecture, we will be implementing all of these different types of operators in Python. I'll see you there. Thank you.